And we are ready. We are ready. Look out. Niagara Falls, here we come.
I didn't put my earbuds in.
You know what? Neither did I. And so it begins. The Varner's adventure begins with duh. You jogged me off. No, that's your bag. You're supposed to lock it when you're done with it.
Are you there?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Mess with your wires then. I can hear you just fine.
Oh my gosh.
Turn up the volume. Hello, 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 hello. You sure you've done this before?
My wires are not working anymore. Good. Talk to me.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me through one ear at least?
Wait, there you go.
That's how we start off things.
Well,
You got earbuds in too, so
it's not that.
I can hear you clear though, Phil. I
Yeah.
sound weird.
I'll turn you down a little bit here in a minute.
I thought you were supposed to turn me up. Aaron said happy trails. How's your bike feel all loaded down?
Heavier.
Obviously. Other than heavier.
Well, it feels fine. I'm going down in there. I want to feel how cool it is.
Yes, that's right, she said.
It only goes to here. I don't have it blocked off.
No, it's just that area right there that won't people on.
I think there's bats in here.
It is cool down there.
It's a lot cooler. What was that?
That was you.
I was just breathing.
It sounded like this.
That's weird. I just sighed.
Freaking A. Stuff on the back.
Get this hog moving. This is probably going to be a dangerous spot.
Not really.
You see pretty good?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's so moist.
It is moist. Caverns right there.
Yeah. I have to Google that. Gem mining. I have to see what they look like. Got out by 8:21.
So keep talking.
We got out by 8:21.
Okay. Man, I had you way too loud.
Sorry.
I had it turned up almost to the max.
We didn't put our ear thingies back in, did we? Neither one of us.
Well, I wasn't going to do that just to go down
Look
here.
at that. That's weird.
Dinosaur Kingdom 2 in the zoo right there. Dinosaur Tower.
I wonder if that zoo's any good. Oh, there's something. Emus. Oh, I ostriches. They don't look like ostriches. Have the Natural Bridge, a zoo, and a safari park all right here in this little area, you know?
Yep, and the caverns.
And the caverns.
And the dinosaur tower.
And a dinosaur store.
Yeah, it's a, you know, make the most of the tourist area, you know.
Yeah.
The pink Cadillac should be up here on the left. Or on the right. Oh, hard to miss.
Yep. You can see it even through the fog. Interesting. Kitschy little place.
It is. Here we are.
Wow.
Our fourth state. Welcome to Maryland.
Battery level is low.
My battery's low on my Cena.
Alright, you'll pull over and plug it up.
Sure.
Find a good spot. We're getting ready to come up to a little town called Red House. We'll stop there.
Alright. You wanna like get a soda or something?
Yeah, I need some caffeine. It's so pretty out here.
Yeah, it is.
Rolling farmland.
Yep. Rolling corn.
Of course, Red House might just be a stop in the road. But we'll stop and plug up your Cena. And next store we pass by, we'll stop.
Alright.
I'll give you the town of Red House. Better not do that. Or Geo-Washington Highway.
We'll have to say the pinlock's working great.
Oh yeah. Shoot. Yeah, it's nice to have that, huh?
Yeah.
Worry about freaking being able to not see.
Well, that's a nice view.
Yes, it is. Too shabby. It's $33 a piece to get in here.
Wow.
Gosh. Yeah, I mean, we come all this way up here for this. Might as well see the whole thing, huh?
Yeah, you're right.
Just pull in that space beside me. We'll take 2 spaces.
Well, there's a sheets. Oh, we got beer in there.
Is this the town we're staying in? Are we here?
Yeah, it looks like. Yeah. We got to go up to this. Yeah, we need to go. Is that a straight lane over there? All
Yeah.
right. We need to get over and then go up and then turn left. That next street up.
When it turns green, you just go on. That wasn't good.
I heard a. Oh, you're fine. I was just checking my steering bearings.
Yeah, well, you're not
I
fine.
heard a clunk.
Yeah, but that's, you were going to hit my mirrors when you took off and knocked me over.
Oh, look.
Man, that sucks. You got to be some kind of freaking dedicated to weed eat your whole yard.
Might just be doing that hill.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Half his yard was the hill. It was a big hill.
It showed that we were supposed to go across that street, but you know how that is. We'll just ride through these neighborhoods. Weird stop signs. Just come on out. Let that big truck pass you by. Get over to the left lane and we'll see. That don't look too bad, does it?
No. It's in a freaking restaurant. Of course, it says a diner right there. I don't know. All right.
She said down here a mile and a half. Is everything you want? Pizza, Italian, and Mexican. I said that. You want to try that one?
Yeah.
I could go for a margarita.
What are you doing? What are you putting up?
You want to go eat now?
Yeah. El Cancun.
As long as they got beer and margaritas, we good.